Okay, hello student. Today we are going to start the combination of capacitor. Suppose there is a three capacitors are connected in series. You are knowing it. There are two type of combination is possible. One combination is the series combination. And the second is parallel combination. Now we are going to discuss first part, series combination. Suppose there is a three capacitors. This is symbol of the capacitor. C1, C2 and C3, and they are connected in series. If Q be the charge plus Q be the charge on the one plate of the capacitor C1, then minus Q will be developed at the second face of the plate of the C1. And the same charge will be transferred to all other the capacitor which are connected in series. So here will be the plus Q, minus Q, plus Q, minus Q. In the series combination, same charges will be developed on each and every capacitor. Let the net potential between A and B is V, and V1 be the potential between the plate of the capacitor C1, V2 between the plates of the capacitor C2, and V3 between the plates of the capacitor C3. Now you are knowing it, in the series combination, V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. Say equation number 1. Also you are knowing from the formula of the capacitor, Q equal to C1 V1 for the first capacitor, Q equal to C2 V2 for the second capacitor, and Q equal to C3 V3 for the third capacitor. Here you can calculate the value of V1. It will be the Q upon C1, V2, it will be the Q upon C2, V3, it will be the Q upon C3. Now put it in the above equation 1. We will get V is equal to Q by C1, Q by C2 plus Q by C3. You can take the Q as common. 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. Equation number 2. Okay? Now suppose if there is a single capacitor on the behalf of the all three, if we put only one capacitor on the behalf of three between A and B, then what will be the potential? The potential will be V, charge will be Q, and the capacitance let it be C. In this situation, if C be the net capacitance of combination, then For single equivalent capacitor, Q equal to CV or V equal to Q by C. Equation number 3. From second and third, you can see one side is equal, so second side will be also equal. Q by C equal to Q bracket 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. Q and Q cancel out. Then we may write 1 by C is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. This will be the formula for finding the equivalent capacitance of two or more than capacitors are connected in series. Okay, now students, the second point, when capacitors are connected in parallel combination. Now suppose there are 3 capacitor. I should draw neat and clean. Okay, now suppose there are 3 capacitors C1, C2 and C3 are connected in parallel combination, and the net potential between the point A and point B is V. So the same potential will be developed across the each and every capacitors which are connected in parallel. Now if Q charge is distributed on point A, then it will be distributed like Q1, Q2 and Q3. Here the total charge Q is equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3. This is from the conservation of charge. Say equation number 1. Now we know that for the first capacitor C1, Q1 equal to C1 into V, capacitance into potential. Potential is same. For second capacitor, Q2 equal to C2V, and for the third capacitor, Q3 is equal to C3V. Now put this in the equation 1. You will have Q equal to C1V, C2V, C3V. Now Q equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. Take the V as common and name equation number 2. If C be the single capacitor, then C be the equivalent capacitor of C1, C2 and C3. In that case, total charge Q is equal to total capacitance C and total potential V. This is equation number 3. From second and third, CV equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3 into V. V cancel out. C is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. This will be the net capacitance when the capacitors are connected in the parallel combination. There's one more thing you can make in your mind for remembering the formula. You are knowing it for the series of resistance. R equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3, and for parallel 1 by R equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. इस फॉर्मूला में ये अपोजिट है, यहाँ पे जो सीरीज वाले का जो टाइप था वो यहाँ पे पैरेलल में है, और जो यहाँ पैरेलल में था वो वहां पर सीरीज में है। ठीक है, तो ऐसे करके अपने दिमाग में याद कर लो कि सीरीज जो रेजिस्टेंस का जो फॉर्मूला है उसका अपोजिट वाला फॉर्मूला होगा कैपेसिटर में। ठीक है, तो आज के लिए बस इतना ही। अब इसके नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम लोग देखेंगे इस पे बेस्ड कुछ न्यूमेरिकल्स में। ठीक है।